Mm-hmm. Okay, great. It looks like a potato, right? Yeah, there you go. Let's go, let's go, let's get baptized. You got it? Yeah, it looks like a potato. Like when I saw it in the water, I thought maybe it was a mushroom. Yeah, I mean, look at it. It looks like a potato. See, that's what's neat about having these water slippers on. You can walk through water, not worry about it. Look at that. Doesn't that look like a potato?
Yeah, sure does.
Mm. Maybe I could give it to Dwayne from Schenectady, the rock guy,
Yeah.
the rock king. Good old Dwayne. Here, add this potato to your collection of rocks. Good old Dwayne. Haven't seen Dwayne in a while. Yeah. I saw some crawfish, yeah, and some little tadpoles. Yeah, for this you don't want to bathe here. It's kind of coldish. You got to be very careful walking here, not because of the rocks, but because of the slime on the rocks.
Yeah.
That slime is the thing that's going to get you. You're going to slip and fall. I'm looking for more potato type of rocks. I think I see one here. Yeah, this looks like a potato. Here you are. Does that look like a potato? All right, see? I could be the next Dwayne. I could be the next Dwayne. You might see me being the next Dwayne within a year. Oh, look how many fishes I see. Oh, small little minnows. Yeah, it wouldn't be bad. Yeah, so many minnows here. Wow. See, and look, there's a crawfish underneath the rock. There's a whole bunch of minnows. Oh, look how many, look how many. Look how many. See, when I was in my my family's country, me and my cousin, we took a fishing pole and fished these little minnows, not for us to eat, but to give it to the cat.
Yeah.
Wow, so many of them. Oh, a big ass crawfish. Oh, wow, look at that. No, why? You need a towel? No, you can't. You got to get these type of shoes. They're not too expensive. Go to Walmart. Oh, here's a dead one. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Here's a dead one, a dead crawfish. You know how I know it's dead?
It's motionless.
It's on its back. Let's see if I can pick it up. Yeah, maybe a stick. A stick.
Probably.
Maybe 2 little sticks. Wait a minute, I'll get you. Just a minute. Okay, we'll break this in half. It just might be sleeping because I just want to make sure it doesn't catch me. Okay, it is dead. Here you are. Come here. Come here, woman. Don't kill it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. There you go. Let's move on. Oh, you know what I see here? See, that's what's good about walking in the water. Look, look, look. The claw of a crawfish.
Yeah.
So an animal must have caught it and ate all the parts. Yeah. Wow. Don't kill that. Don't lose it. We'll put it in a bag or something and give it to Five Rivers. Nah. Whoa, it's deep here. Oh, look, another crawfish just moved over there. See? You say I never treat you to lobster dinner? Right there, there's a mini lobster. Ooh. Oh, another crawfish. Oh my God, there's so many of them. Huh? Yeah, these are from Walmart. Yeah. Yeah, pick them up there. I don't know how much they are, like maybe 15 bucks. 20 bucks, I don't know. But it's worth it, you know? You could walk in water. You could be like Jesus. Yeah, you gotta be careful and not rush it. Whoa. There you go.
All right.
I got a little baggie.